Today we will install a chat other website. Click on plugins, add new. Search for Chatnox. Okay, click on install now. Click on activate. This chat got more than 50,000 people on other platforms. Click on Chatnox chat. Click on sign up now. Click on try for free. Enter here your name and your email address. Be sure you have the right email because you get a confirm email. Okay. We will revive the email soon. In my inbox. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Yep, we got it. Click on activate my account. Successful. Log into your dashboard. Okay, we don't need a bunch of code. I'm gonna use this little skater guy. And I'm gonna choose a chat color. I'm gonna choose black. I'm gonna choose my avatar, the skater guy. I'll leave this and hit next. I'm gonna hit submit. And we are done. This is your Chatnox administration panel. You can see how many visitors you got right here, over here. And here you see your active chats. Okay. There are no visitors online. And here you okay, we're gonna log in with our details. udemy8.hotmail.com and our Chatnox password. We're gonna click on install group. Gonna click on launch dashboard. Okay, we are here again by this dashboard. Now I'm gonna show you how the website looks. Okay, the website is loading. And the chat pop-ups now. That's great. We have our chat right now with our avatar. Okay, thanks for watching and thanks for being my student. And I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.